Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you. We're doing a pack with me for Milan. So, me and my mother are going to Milan. We were meant to go for my 16th birthday, and now I'm literally nearly 18. Well, in like 4 months, 5 months. April, May, June, July, August. 4 months and 2 weeks. Oh, for God's sake, this is really irrelevant. Anyway, we're finally going. We're both double jabbed. Well, my mum's triple jabbed, actually, in case anyone wanted to know. And if anyone comments anything about the jabs, I will just delete it, so no point. Anyway, I'm actually quite excited. So we're going tomorrow morning, but we're staying in the Heathrow Ibis Hotel tonight. So, because we've got an early flight, so my dad's driving and me and my mum there. And yeah, we're just going for 3 nights. I'm really buzzing. My mum's got the suitcase ready. Yes! She's got a few of my bits and bobs ready, which was quite cute. Yeah, don't really know. We've got this is all my makeup, so bring that. My perfume, my sunglasses that are huge. I don't know why I don't need them. Yeah, she's got a few of my little bits out, which is quite cute. My card holder. I should probably actually put my card in there. But yeah, honestly, I have not even planned this in any way, shape or form. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm so unprepared. It's actually a joke. Like, I don't even know what I want to wear. I've got an idea of some things, but all in all, I don't know. But yeah. I also have my theory test. I failed it by 3 marks, and I have another one booked for the Monday. So we get back, it's Wednesday right now, we get back on the Sunday and we'll have another one on Monday. And I haven't done any revision since I failed, so that's really good. But yeah. I've got some flip-flops, little Primark ones. I swear I saw some more of my flip-flops a minute ago. Or am I losing the plot? Oh, they're here. And then I've got my Havaianas. Actually, I don't think I'm going to take them. I'll probably take my Michael Kors. I'm acting like I'm going on a summer holiday. It's only going to be 20 degrees. Still, it's quite good. Right, and then we've got to go through all this to get my outfits ready. We really haven't really prepared this trip. I'm excited. Oh, it's just hot. Some. Okay, right. I know I definitely want to take this outfit because I got it for Christmas and I've been waiting for like the right time to wear it. And I feel like Milan is. It's from Dress Me Z. Oh my god. No, I'm actually really excited now just to dress up. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna look cute. I'm not actually going to pack any of it. I think I'm just going to let my mum put the stuff in the suitcase. Yeah, I'm that mean. No, I'm joking. She will probably get annoyed if I try and pack the stuff myself. Anyway, what else am I fancying to chuck in there? Oh, I don't know. Oh, this. Yeah, that'll be nice on a night. An evening out. Oh, yeah, I love that. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. I can go straight in my basket. Also, this I've been waiting to wear for bloody ages from Zara. I really wanted it, and my nanny and granddad got it for Christmas. And you'll know I never wear black, so that's like a big thing for me. Oh, I don't know what else. What else should Sum bring? Why am I calling myself Sum? Don't know why I'm going, what else am I fancying? I don't know, guys. I just don't know. Might bring this. Like, you know, night out. Bit of cat slater. God, I'm gonna look like a prostitute. No, I'm joking, guys. But I probably will look like one, actually. Oh, I'm really quite excited, actually. I don't know what to bring. You know when you have so many clothes and you can't pick? It's me right now. This is quite cute, isn't it? Yeah, that's cute. Why not? We'll bring it. Give it a go. Chuck it in. Yeah, I look cute in that. Oh, I've got really itchy legs. Oh, that's nice. Oh god. I feel so unprepared. I don't know what the vibe is there. I haven't really looked up the vibe. Shut up, someone. God, I'm really annoying myself. Oh god. I know that you look good on the dance floor. No, I'm actually struggling. I'm really struggling. Oh god. Alright, we're going to move on to tops. because I'm panicking. I don't even think I'll need a coat, will I? It's going to be really hot. There we go. I don't know, will I need a coat? What shoes should I bring? God, I'm in a right pickle, aren't I? I need to high-end this. High-end? That doesn't make any sense. There we go. Guys, what shoes? God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My blimmin' Balenciagas have fallen. Okay, I don't even know which shoe I'm in a pickle, right? Oh my god, that dog's so cute. I'm probably just gonna wear flip-flops, let's be honest. But I'm gonna bring a pair of trainers just in case. I'll bring the Fendi's. I don't know what to wear to the airport. I don't have any really nice airport outfits. You know, you get me, guys? I might bring... I'm gonna bring the juicy wedgies. Bring them out. I can't even say wedgies properly. Well, I probably am saying it properly. Oh god. I don't know. Should I bring these? No. Actually, they're actually really cute. Should I bring them? They look like stripper shoes. Yeah, why not? Let's go all out. God. Yeah, that's fine. I'm fine. Oh, I've got something. For sake. Did I sell my Jimmy Choo shoes? I've just remembered. I had Jimmy Choo shoes, and I don't know where they've gone. But I can't picture them in my mind at all where they could be. I've got these shoes too, which are cute. They're coming. The amount of shoes I'm bringing is a little bit of a joke, but who cares? Right. I know that she looks... We've literally got to leave tonight, an hour, and I'm just chilling at tonight or not, so yeah, that's always good. Right. Tops, 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 tops. I'm annoying myself, I think. What? Oh god, I'm getting on my own nerves, as usual. I don't know what to wear. I hate, you know when you go for a surgery, you hate all your clothes. That's me right now. Like, I just don't like any of them. I don't know what it is about it. I've just really gone off them all. I probably need a new wardrobe. Well, not an actual wardrobe, like just to clear out. I know that she looks good on the dance floor. Yeah, I don't like any of my tops. Oh god, I'm in a pickle. Oh, I know what I'm going to wear to the airport. I'm going to wear this little number. It's going to be quite cold, but a plain's cold. Oh god, hiccups, not my name. I don't like any of my clothes. I've gone off everything. Oh no, what am I going to do? Oh, I just have to bring random clothes. I hope I can make an outfit out of them. Why am I yawning? I'm excited. What bottoms should I wear? Bottoms. Sorry, I don't know why that's funny. Anyway. Oh, I've got a neck ache. Why have I got a neck ache? I just had a conversation with myself. Well, I suppose this is a conversation with myself, isn't it, really? This whole video. I am literally just talking to myself. This is quite cute. I need to make this work, but what can I wear it with? Yeah, what? So what am I supposed to wear that with? I feel like I really am bad at fashion at the moment. Like, I've really let myself slide. It could look cute as that. No, it couldn't. Someone, what are you talking about? I just don't like any of my clothes. I actually think something up with me. What is going on? Some. These shorts are cute. Can I make them work? Probably not. I'll check it. But what do I wear that with? I am having a fashion crisis. I am. I'm in such a crisis. Oh, right. I'm gonna try and think of an outfit and I'll be back. Okay, I've added some more clothes into the mix. I'm so cringy. We have a hot tub in the hotel, so I need to bring a bikini or two. Oh god, I like this bikini. I don't know. Getting all excited. I don't know how to contain myself. That was a joke, obviously, guys. Promise. No, I've actually got a ridiculous amount of bloody swimwear. I need to go through them. Oh, this one's cute, actually. I don't remember having this. I'm guessing it goes like that and then you just tie it. That can come. And then I'll bring one bikini. Who thinks I overpack? I don't even think I should be asking that. It's quite obvious. What's this one? Oh, I don't know. I just love, there's just something about bikinis. They just make me all happy inside. What's this one? Oh, that's ugly. I don't know. Oh, we're just going a bit of Moda Minx. Classic old Moda Minx. Right. Obviously we need underwear. Right. I don't really wear bras because I don't like them. That's like a pick me. I'm joking. I just genuinely find them really uncomfortable. But you know, we'll bring one for good measure. I'm just gonna bring this one. That can come. Lovely jubbly. Oh god. Underwear. That's exciting. Actually, I might bring these rhinestone tights. Dress up my outfit one night. Yeah, they're fun, aren't they? They can come. Oh my god, I've got so much stupid stuff. Okay, pairs of socks. We'll bring loads, just in case, you know. It's exciting. I don't know why I'm acting like, why do I need that many socks? I don't know. Couldn't tell you. But we're gonna bring them up. Wait, no, I won't even need socks. I'm wearing flip-flops and heels. Right, I can bring 3 pairs of socks. That's my limit. I'm warning you all. I'm really not annoying myself now. Okay, what's underwear? They can come. They can come. Why am I being really weird? They can come. They can come. I love packing this many pairs of underwear as if I'm literally going to shite everywhere or something. They can come. Right, that's plenty, Samos. Behave. They can come. They're fun. Right. Right. Exciting. Exciting stuff. And then I should have. It's exciting. Guys. How is that? Oops, I've accidentally taken keys. Bloody, what's it called? Can you home with me? I wear these underwear tomorrow. I'm really hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So take off. Joke. Don't take off your clothes, please. Do I need any jewellery? I'm not really one for jewellery, I've decided. Right, would I need a GoPro? No. Why would I need a GoPro? Little headband, that could be fun, couldn't it? Why not? My camera battery charger, that's actually such a good idea. Why did I not think of that? Do we have a portable charger anywhere? Doubt it. Oh, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Just letting you know. I mean, I've been looking for it. That looks really weird, me keep itching down there, honestly. I promise it's my leg. What is all this shite? Aww. Aww. Why is that in here? I don't know. I just spoke to myself. I've Oh. I don't really go in this drawer. It's like it's new. Right, let's squash that down. I don't really know what else I want to bring if I'm honest. Oh, my passport cover. Don't forget that. That can come. And obviously my passport. Bringing that would be helpful. What little necklaces should I bring? These are cute. Oh look, I've got some earrings here. I'm going to wear these. I'm actually going to put these in now. Bring that. I've got this like diamond belt. I'll bring this. It's a little bit tangled. Just a bit. Oh my god, this is really annoying me, guys. Help. God's sake. Oh my god. Why? No, why is it this tangled? Right, they can both come. Yeah, lovely. Both of them are coming now. And I'm going to put them in, where I fit my glasses case? Yes. There you go, then they won't get lost. Oh god. Don't really need anything else, do I? I feel like I've really underpacked. Have I? I don't know. Should you bring this? Yeah, I'll bring that. Why not? Yeah, I think that literally is everything. Am I overthinking this? I don't know. Oh, more sunglasses. No, they're ugly. We don't want them. I don't know what I want. Shopping a hat? No, I don't need a hat. What are you doing? About these? Are these cool? Cool or not? Definitely not. God, I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's everything really. What else will I need? Nothing. Yeah, now I've come to think of it, can't think of anything. We've got a carry-on and a main suitcase, but I want to know if I can bring like a little handbag, because that would be helpful. I'm so excited for these vlogs. I'm going to do a daily vlog. Or should I do it all in one? Nah, I'll do daily vlogs. That means there'll be 4 vlogs. Or actually I might not vlog the last day, so there'll be 3 vlogs. Oh. So I forgot to finish the video. I know you didn't really see much of the actual suitcase, but that's because it was a bit of a rushed thing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye. Love you all. Mwah.